everybody, this is Axel here, and today I'm going to show you two fire alarms, the strobe versus the Polestation Firelight BG12LX. Here we go. Got the key right here. Here's the switch right here. Gotta close this. Here we go. There we go. All closed. Let's do it one more time. Close that. And you get the key. There we go. It's all closed. Here you have another strobe, a horn strobe. This is I don't know what's this. I think it looks like an simplex, or I don't know what type of strobe is this. Okay. Let me show you my other side. Turn on the radio for a second. Here's my old one. Here's my old PlayStation. This is the old one. This one's broken now. See, this is broken. And here you have it, guys. This is the new versus the old one. Anyways, thank you for watching, and that'll be it.